Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to move apps on your iPhone, and this applies to iPad as well. And we'll show you how to move them around, put them on different screens or whatever. Okay, so stay tuned for this video. Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology. Just sign into your phone. And what I want to show you today is how to move app on your iPhone. And this applies to your iPad as well. So what you want to do is you want to rest your thumb or your finger on an app. Just keep resting it on until it's shaking like it is right now. You will see if you have 3D screen, you're going to see a pop-up like just happened. Now these are moving. So basically you can slide from place to place. And we can just put our thumb on GM and see how I'm moving that up. And we can put that up there, let it go, let your thumb off and let it go. You want to put that back, just put your thumb on it and drag it down. And if you go over another app, this window will come up, and now I am outside the area of what I want to do, so it's going to go into this little folder that pops up. But I'm going to put my thumb back on it, I'm going to drag it down, and I'm going to place it there. So how did that box come up? Well, if I take my thumb and hold it on GMC and hover over any other app, it comes and opens up a folder called Lifestyle. And if you slide to the left, you can fill this up with different apps. You can have about, well, 9 apps on one page. You slide to the left and you have another 9 there, and then you can continue on. We're just going to take that out of there. So just swipe up, and that turns that off. Now, how did I get that going again? Just place your thumb or your finger on any of the apps that you want to move or put into a folder. Rest your thumb on. You see how the 3D screen came up? Just keep holding. And now they got shakies. Now, if you want to move any of these, you just have to put your thumb on it. Move this one down here. Put your thumb back on it. You can move it to this screen. Push it over to the far left and the screen will turn. I want to put this guy back, so I'm going to just put him in there. And there you have it. This is how easy it is to come in here. Place your thumb or your finger on an app. Hold until it shakes like it is. And then you can move it around. Or in this case, you can drop an app on top of an app, and you'll see I have security. And so you have 9 apps there, then another page here I can fill up, and so on. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video. Please comment and share below, and look for the next one. Thank you. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more, and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you've watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT, get into technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT, Get Into Technology, and you want to click the bell notification to get notified of any new videos coming out and to stay up to date. And you want to also click up above to watch the latest video that's on our channel. Please check out GIT, Get Into Technology. Thank you.